Hi students, very good morning. So welcome to our RV online classes. So with our maths classes, students, in today we are going to that is remaining exercise. So remaining chapter. So that is the sixth chapter already. The today's classes that is exercise six G6 G. So in previous classes means in the last classes we have already discussed about the LCM of the factorization method. So in today classes the LCM by that is a division method. Students just you have to recall the full form of an LCM or SCM already. So again once again I repeat 1-2 minute. Uh, 2 minute not just I will in a half minute. It is a SCF means that is highest common factor. So LCM means that is the least common multiples. So in today classes that is students you have to open page number that is 83. So page number 83. So second find the LCM by division method. Students in previous classes. So already we have discussed that already we have to solve the in a prime factorization method of in LCM. So yes, students, the LCM of means that is you have to take it the common division method, the LCM by common division method. So common division method means students divide the numbers in by the smallest. First steps means how to divide the numbers by the smallest prime numbers. So after means that which divides at least one of the numbers means so the multiple afters in a sorry in a divides afters we get in any that many numbers is that not divisible means so we will get or you will write in a prime factor you have to write in as it is. So show to one example students. So exercise. So second main find the LCM. Students in previous classes means in last classes LCM of factorization methods already solved. In today classes that is how to solve in what is the steps of that LCM the divisions method. So students see find LCM by division method. LCM by division method. Yes, so first 36, the question number 36 and 38. Yes, let us start for first exercise. First problems that students here. What is the first step you have to arrange the you have to divide students. So you know that divide the numbers by smallest acquisition method. So first you have to arrange it in the two number we will take two at a time or how to take two together. The first steps don't the divide in the factorization method in indivisible. So you have to take in that is a both number the 36 and 48. This is the method of that by division, the LCM division method students. Yes. So the first steps already I told the first steps is students the division method of so that is the divide the number by is divide number by the smallest prime number. So or you want to take it the smallest prime number, you know, the very smallest prime number is the 2, that is the smallest even number. Yes, we have to do the divide. 2 ones are choose 2 ones are 2, so we'll get, you know, 2 ones are 2 means you have to do separate. One is you will get the one. So how to write for year 16? You know, students, that is a 36. So 6 is a 36. So 2 8 is a 16. So just you have to put 2 8 is a 36. So first you have to divide in individual. Afterwards, in table you have to take it. The next step, students. The first step means you have to divide in indivisible numbers. Okay. So next in 48, first you have to take in 4 students. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So you know 2 24s are 48. So that division. Next, take it. The division, the divide out of in 18 and 24, yes, because the both numbers that is even number students. So 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Students in 9 and 12. So 9 and 12 is not, 9 is not a divisible or not a division of the 2. So why means that is even, that 2 is a even, but 9 is a odd number. But students, so next numbers you have to take it that you have to take it in continuous units. So yes, here the continue divide the quotient by the least common prime numbers. So you have to continue not to divide it. So this is the difference between of LCM and that is the SCF students. So what that the continue dividing to dividing the quotient. So by least common prime factor. So that till we means students till we will get up to 1. So first you have to that 2 is not division of 9 means you have to write as it is. So 9 is you have to write as it is because not a division of the not a division of in 2. So you have to write 2 as it is. So it's in next. So next is a 12 students. So 12 is the division of 2. So 2 6 you have to write it in 12. So next again, that is 9 is not division, so students to be in written. So as it is, you have to write in 9. So next 2 3s are 6. Students see now 9 and 3. So 9 and 3, the both numbers is not division of in 2. So students, you take it. That next number, what the 2 of yours you have to take it. That is a 3. So 3 is the division of in 9 and 3. 3 3 is the student, 3 3 is a 9, 3 1s are 3. So again, so next last that is 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are 3. Students see here, we will get here 1. So already I told that is what? You have to continue dividing, so that is in quotient. So by the least common, that prime factor means that till we will get that is a 1. So that students in the last steps means product of the prime factor of the numbers used, that is the LCM. So see here students. So first you already will multiple. So 36 and 48. So 36 and 48, so you have to dividing the primes means till we will get, so that is a 1. Next step means, so we have to write in now the multiple of the odd factors. We will get, that is the LCM. So what is the factor students? What is the numbers of factors in 36 and 48? So 2 up to 2 is how many times you have to multiply? So this is 4 times. So 3 is 2 times is multiple. So students, so now you have to write it in the next step means. So that is the multiple of that all prime factors. So what is the prime factors? First is the 2. So next 2 is how many times multiple? That is a 2 is multiple, well, that is a 4 times. You have to write it in 4 times. So next is 3. That is 3 times. Students, now you have to multiply that. These all that is the factors. The factors of in 36 and 48. So now you have to multiply. 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, 8 2 is a 16 students. 16 3 is the students what? 16 3 is the the table. So 48 is a 144 total students, 144. So this is the LCM. So you know that the multiple of all the prime factors means. So we will get the numbers. So you have to consider that is the LCM. So you have to write it for here. In therefore, LCM of the LCM of 36 and 48. 36 and 48. So we get 144. Students, this is the LCM of 36 and 48. Students, just you have to remember for that what is the difference between of in LCM of prime factorization method. So you know already solved in this means first given below by prime factorization. This is a by division method, students. That is a common division method of this LCM. So this is a these problems means this is a different steps you have to comparing and factorization method and LCM, the division method, students. Okay, so in the next question, see. In next question in B, I will compare to in B. So given 120, 144, 180. So given different students. So next question is the same steps. So you have to take it that all numbers means given that three numbers you have to take it. So you will do the division. And that is first you have to take a small prime number. Okay. So see. So next question is regarding this exercise. So again on the exercise I will show you now. B 128, question number 44, 1. Students, yes, what to solve for in this question? What are the first steps? You know that what the first steps means you have to write the numbers. You division first steps means you divide the numbers by smallest prime number. So you have to write it the solution. So next, you have to write it in 20, 144, 180. Yes, students. So you start that you smallest number is that 2. Now you have to divide 2 zigzag students. 2 number you have to take it. 2 zigzag 12. So how to write in 6 0 as you write. So next 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Next students 2 9s are 18 as it is 0. So this is the division of 2. So next is again you have to take it in next. You will get remainder again you do division students. So next steps means 2 3s are 2. Yeah, again you have to do division means 2 3s are 6 0 as it is. 2 students 2 3s are 6. 1 is remaining, so 1 come to here. So 1 to 2. So 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. So 1 is remaining. So 1 to 12. So 2 6 are 12. Okay. So next 2 4s are 8. 1 is remaining. So we have to write here 1. 2 5s are 10. Students see for here 30, 36 and 45. So yes, again you have to take it into that not divisions means the remainder is not a division, it's continue. The not the dividing means quotient. So not the divide of the quotient means students. That is you have to write the in as it is. So see here, 2 1s are 2 students. 1 is remaining. 2 5s are 10. So next 2 1s are 2. So 1 come to here. 2 8s are 16. So next 45 is not a division of 44 in 2. So not a division. So write to as it is. So this now you have to see. So I think you have to take it into the division of 18. You know the 15 is not division as it is write it. So 2 9s are 18. So 45 also not division. You have to write it as it is. So see now the 15 and 9 45. This is a division of or divide of. That is 3. So you have to take in next number that is a 3. So 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 1 come to here. 3 5s are 15. So remaining. So next you have to division again 3. So 5 is not division. So how is it? So 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. The last number we have to take it in 5. 5 1s are 5. So 1 to 1. So students see the remainder will be that we will get. So that is a 1. So yes, students see here the divide afterwards. So we will get 1. So afterwards the steps was to the all factors, the prime factors, that is now to you have to product for that all prime factors. So that is the LCM. So next step students, you know that now you have to finding that is the LCM, the division method of in 120, 144, 180. So already solved. So that is dividing primes means till we will get that is 1. So next steps, you know, the multiple of the all, you have to multiply with all factors. So that multiples of all factors, we will get the LCM. So we will get the numbers means that is the LCM. Students see now, this is equal to the 2 is how many time multiple? That is a 4 time. So next 3 means students, 3 is 2 times is the multiple. Last one. Students, now you see, you have to multiple 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is the students 48, 16 3 is the 48, students 16 3 is the 48, 48 3 is the 144, afterwards 144 5 is the students see what is the LCM? So that is 270. The LCM is 270. So students, therefore LCM of 120, 144 and 180. So that is 270. This is the method. This is method of what, student? This is the factorization method or division method? Yes, students, this is the LCM of division method. So in a prime factorization method means we have to divide in indivisible numbers. So this is, I will take to, that is that all number I will division the smallest prime number I will take the first steps means first I will arrange the numbers, so I will division in the first smallest prime number. So afterwards we will get here remainder is P1. So afterwards after steps means that all factors the product of the all prime factors, so we will get that is the LCM. So the multiple afterwards we will get here 720. So 720 means the LCM of the 120, the LCM of 120, 144 and 180 is, that is the LCM is, students, 720. So this is a method of LCM division method, students. Okay, some remaining questions, students, in the same method. So you have to solve for in your home, students. So yes, individual also you have to divide. Individual also you do in a division method, but the difference means in LCM and SCF means this is the least common multiple. So this is the least common, that is highest common factor. This you have to consider the highest factor number or highest factor number. So here least common multiple, students. This is the difference between of LCM. Okay, students. So in the remaining questions, you solve to your own. So now today classes means, so that is a sixth chapter multiples and factors is finishing. So next classes I will take two. So in a new lesson I will take to continue. So next I will start in will I will take to in the next classes. I will start to, that is a new lesson. Thank you, students.